All right, today we're going to be talking about using exterior angle measures of polygons. The first thing we're going to know is the sum of the measures of the exterior angle of a convex polygon. One angle at each vertex is 360 degrees. All right, so that means that if you have, in this case, we have 5 vertices, and we have one angle for each vertex, or one exterior angle for each vertex. It means that this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle is going to be equal to 360 degrees. It's a full circle. It doesn't matter how many sides you have. So that is the property, okay? That's the rule. Now, knowing that rule, okay, let's move it up a little bit. And we got this problem over here. So let's show about that. So it says over here, find the value of x. And we notice that we have a quadrilateral. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 angles there, 4 exterior angles. So how will you find out the value of x? Pause the video, see if you can figure it out. Remember, you gotta use this formula. All right, so I know, okay, easy over here. We know that the addition of all of the exterior angles, one angle per vertex, add up to 360 degrees. So that means that 99 degrees plus 67 degrees plus x plus 2x equals 360 degrees. Now we got a regular linear equation. We need to combine like terms, try to simplify it, and solve for x. So 99 plus 67, okay, 99 plus 67, that's 166. 166. X plus 2x, that's 3x. That's going to be equal to 360. We subtract 166 from both sides of the equation. So we got 3x equals 2. 360 minus 166. I gotta use the calculator. Okay, let me get the calculator here. 360 minus 166. That's equal to 194. And we divide that by 3. Let me see, let me get it right. My calculator is not working perfectly. Okay, 194 divided by 3. That's 64.6666. So 64.7 degrees. Perfect. All right, so let's go and take a look at another example. Let's see if you guys can figure this one out. It says the measure of exterior angle of a regular polygon. Regular polygon, remember that from the previous video? A regular polygon has all the interior angles the same, they're congruent, and all of the sides are the same. So also, all of the exterior angles are going to be the same. Okay, they're going to be congruent to each other. So you have the exterior angle is equal to 30 degrees. They want to know how many sides does the polygon have. So pause the video, see if you can figure it out. If you can figure it out, you're already ahead of the game. All right, so let's go over it, okay? So you know if it's a regular polygon, that means that all of the exterior angles are gonna be the same. So you don't know the number of sides, so it will be basically 30, that's, each side is 30 degrees, right? Times the number of sides or angles, it's gonna be the same, right? It's a regular polygon. It's gonna be equal to, where's that, 30 then? 360 degrees, right? You guys remember all of the addition of all of the exterior angles, one angle per vertex, I'm going to add up to 360 degrees. So now we solve for n. Divide both sides by 30. That should give you the number of sides, or the number of, basically, yeah, the number of sides. That's what they're asking. 12 sides. 12 sides and 12 angles, as a matter of fact. So basically, you're dividing the number of 360 by the measurement of the exterior angle. That's basically what you do. All right, now let's do the next one. It's similar, but in this case, they are not giving you the exterior angle, they are giving you the interior angle. It says the measure of an interior angle of a regular polygon is 140 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have? So this one is a little bit tricky. See if you can figure it out. All right, so in order for me to use the, to have an example like the one before, I need to know what is my exterior angle. And what we know is that interior angles plus exterior angles are supplementary. They add up to 180 degrees. So we know the measurement of the interior angle, which is 140 degrees, plus the exterior angles, that's going to be equal to 180. So basically, you solve for that, 180 minus 140, and that should give you the exterior angle, the information that you need to find out the number of sides. And the exterior angle is going to be equal to 180 minus 140, that will be 40 degrees. Now we have a problem like we had before. And we can use this information here, right, to find out the number of sides. And we know that 40, that's the exterior angles, right? And all of the angles, exterior angles are equal to 40 because it's a regular polygon, times the number of sides is going to be equal to 360, right? And now we solve for n. Divide both sides by 40, and that should give you the number of sides, which is basically 9 sides and 9 angles also. All right, I hope this is helpful for you guys, and please do not forget to do your assignments.